Copco Compressors Canada specialize in providing energy-efficient compressed air and industrial gas solution for the Canadian market. We have customers in all industries ranging from food and beverage, mining, manufacturing, and many more. Our product range includes blowers, air compressors, boosters, air dryers, oxygen and nitrogen generators, and much more. But our solutions are much more than that. We are at the forefront of hydrogen solutions and carbon capture technologies, along with new product lines including chillers and process filtration. We also offer premium service on these equipment with direct service presence in all Canadian provinces. The compressed air industry, it's so much fun.